Bring the fun hide-inside ball pit, tent, and tunnel set into your home. Pieces pop right open and easily attach to each other to create a large activity playset. The set includes play tents, a ball pit, and connecting tunnels, which can be configured in a variety of ways. The hide-inside set comes with many built-in games, including a basketball game, target game, and ball-throwing game. Parents and children of all ages will have hours of fun with the many activities that come with the hide-inside tents and tunnels. The full set folds into a compact carry case for convenient storage and portability. Folding instructions included. Hide inside, designed for hours of play.
Sound the Octo Alert!
From the Octonauts, it's the Octopod playset.
Wozzy, Barnacles.
Octonauts, to the launch bay!
Today's mission, save the trapped sea creatures.
Meow.
Complete the rescue, just like in the Octonauts Undersea Adventures.
Explore! Rescue!
Protect!
The Octopod playset comes with everything you see here.
Busy little hands will never run out of fun with the Spiral and Feast Water Park. It's fun to watch the ball drop into the funnel. Toddlers will love seeing it spiral down the tube into the lazy river and float around and around. They can scoop up and drop the colorful balls in the water with the hand crank Ferris wheel and make a big splash. Or turn the spinner to create waves. Fill the cup with water and pour it into the small funnel to watch the twin wheels spin and splash. This summer, the backyard will be full of laughs with this activity-filled water table.
Turn your backyard into a water park with the Rain Shower Splash Pond Water Table by Step 2. Use a large bucket to scoop up water from the pond and pour it into the top tier, making a showering splash below. The rain shower effect makes it sound like it's real rainfall. As rainwater drizzles back into the pond, maze-like spinners, ramps, and buckets will be activated, creating a cool cascade on the water wall. Rearrange the put-in-place maze pieces again and again to create new waterfalls for fun, cause and effect, and stem play. Use the side flipper to flip the included figures back into the pond. Catch the frog with a cattail scoop. Made in the USA with some imported parts, the Rain Shower Splash Pond Water Table is the best way to play with rain. The Rain Shower Splash Pond Water Table by Step 2.